If you often feel tired, low on energy, and you are trying to lose fat, and if you don't have time to cook your breakfast in the morning, then this video is exactly for you. Today, I'm going to show you 3 high-protein chia pudding recipe that is going to make your fat loss journey easy and simple. Each recipe is going to take less than 5 minutes to make, and that is going to help you start your mornings with at least 25 to 30 gram of protein. I know a lot of you think that chia seeds are high in protein, but in reality, chia seeds are high in fat. So chia seeds are not protein source, it's a fat source. Yes, it has great amount of fiber, it has great amount of omega-3 fatty acids coming from it. So if you are vegetarian, chia seeds are a great source of omega-3 as well, but they are not high in protein. So अगर आप अकेला chia pudding खाते हो and if you don't have at least 25 to 30 gram of protein in your pudding, then that meal is incomplete because you are only getting little bit of fiber, you are only getting carbohydrates and fats coming from that pudding. But today I'm going to show you कि उसमें कैसे प्रोटीन इनटेक बढ़ाना है and how you can make same chia pudding that you are eating but 25 to 30 grams more protein in it. Statistics shows 9 out of 10 women usually skip breakfast due to busy schedule, or simply you just eat khari, toast, biscuit, cookies with chai or coffee. That is why your hormones are imbalanced, that is why your blood sugar crashes in the noon, that's why you feel lazy, lethargic, and those 3 p.m. 4 p.m. cravings that are out of your control. So starting your day with at least 25 to 30 gram of protein, 5 to 10 gram of fiber is going to help reduce your hunger levels, is going to provide you better energy throughout the day, it is going to control your cravings and going to keep you full for longer period of time. Whenever I make my chia pudding, I usually soak amount of chia seeds I'm taking for number of chia pudding I'm making. For an example, आज I'm showing you 3 chia pudding recipe, and each pudding I have used 15 gram of raw measured chia seeds in each recipe. So what I do usually कि जब भी मुझे meal prep करना होता है, I always soak my chia seeds at least 30 to 45 minutes in warm water before meal prep. अभी this is your personal preference. Even if you are just making pudding and it is going to stay overnight in the fridge, तो already chia soak हो जाएगा. But I have been eating chia pudding since past many years and I have observed कि अगर ऐसे उसको pre soak थोड़ा करके then we make it, it really tastes good. It is also good on your gut. Again, that is your preference. So this is, you can see I have already soaked. Completely नहीं होंगे, लेकिन still it is going to improve the texture and it is going to get 5x in quantity. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button. So without wasting time, let's quickly dive into the recipe. First, we are making strawberry chia pudding. Let's quickly check the recipe. Now it's time for blueberry chia pudding. Let's check out the recipe. Third one is one of my favorite flavors, apple chia pudding. Let's check out the recipe quickly. If you struggle with low energy, cravings, constipation, or just staying consistent with your fat loss, increasing 25 to 30 grams of protein, eating 5 to 10 grams of fiber in your meals is the first fix you need in your nutrition if you want sustainable long-term fat loss. If you found this video valuable, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel because I post videos like this every single week for women just like you. And if you found this video valuable, then this is for you. Instead of figuring out all this by your own and wasting time and energy and of course efforts, you can follow my structured proven program that's already been working for hundreds of busy women. That's exactly what I have built inside my Freedom Reset program. If you want results, structure, guidance, community support and accountability all in one place, then click the link in the description and join now. I'll see you inside. Alright, this is your coach JB signing off until next time. Over and out.